guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be removing these stock factory taillights, which look pretty good in my opinion. They have the built-in indicators, brake lights and daytime running lights, but in my opinion they're just a bit dated, and we are going to be fixing that today. So first step is pop the trunk. And to remove these taillights, you're just going to need two things: an 8mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. What you're going to do first is take the flathead screwdriver, insert it into the pop clip gently, and slowly just pop it out. Now once you've done that, you can pull back this boot liner and you can actually get to the nitty gritty of how to remove this taillight, which is pretty simple. It's just held in with these 4 8mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and there's a fourth up here. And in addition to that, we are going to be removing this plug. Just take your 8mm, put it on, and then loosen it. Once it's loose, you can just take it out by hand. That is it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take off all of that, and first this one is covered by this clip. Clip comes off, exposing the nut that we are going to take off, including that one and the one up there. So let me take out those ones. Okay, now we've got the taillights out. Let's have a look at the new taillights. So this package has come all the way from our friends over at GoPlus. Now GoPlus is actually a super cool company. They are a lighting modification and accessory company that mainly specializes in headlights, taillights, grills and supporting mods of that nature. Now GoPlus is an amazing company. They saw the build we're doing on the channel, to the car, everything we're doing to it, and they reached out to us to sponsor the car. That means they like what we're doing something right. They reached out to us and they sent us their exclusive, when I say exclusive, I mean exclusive, very rare to find, trust me. You'll spend a long time looking for these. They're something that I've wanted for a long time and I could not find anywhere. So when GoPlus reached out to me and they told me that they had this, I could not believe it. And that of course being the carbon fiber taillights for the GT86. And I mean, just look at them compared to the OEM. It's a huge difference. I mean, look at that woven carbon fiber shine in the sun, and you can see actually the daytime running light, the ring, which is a full LED ring instead of the old dot 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 LED ring style that comes with the GT86. Also has built-in indicator, brake and reverse light, which is super cool. The OEM taillights do not come with a OEM reverse light. Not to mention, these OEM taillights do look good. They're very GTR, you know, classic JDM vibe, right? But they do have their issues. And actually a common problem on them is that these OEM taillights, at least not mine but others, are known for leaking, and that caused condensation and fogging. So I think these taillights are a huge, massive upgrade, and I can't thank GoPlus enough. I mean, they were kind enough to send these taillights out to us. Okay, so to put it in, taillight is in. All I had to do was plug in this main plug, simple enough, and plug in the secondary black one over here for the reverse light. Once that's in, all you have to do is put the clip back on and put the boot liner and everything back. So I'll check in when that's all done. Okay, put it in, and wow, look at the huge difference it is. Let me actually close the boot to show you guys the difference. And wow, look at that. The right side looks so much more aggressive. I mean, look at that. The black definitely matches the car more. And yeah, I get it. It looks like a Ferrari.
What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
It looks like a 458, a 488, blah blah blah. I get that, guys. I'm not trying to make my car look like a Ferrari. I just think the taillights look nice. My car is not a Ferrari by any means in terms of performance, price, nothing. I know that, trust me. I'm not trying to fool anyone. But I just think this looks so much nicer than the factory. And like I say, I can't knock the factory. It's a very good design. It's just that it's getting dated. You can see just the way the white is and everything. I don't know, just looks a whole lot more modern. Something about it. I mean, this is how the car should have come from factory. Okay, both taillights are in, and look at that. Currently the reverse light is on and the hazards, so, and the daytime running lights. So I thought you guys could have a look at the entire light. So there's the daytime running light, there's the indicator hazard, and then in the center is the reverse light. And in addition to the reverse light in the taillight, there's also a reverse light still by the diffuser, so there's actually a double reverse light. Now with all of that off, you can have a look at how the car looks in general. And wow, guys, GoPlus really came through. The car looks so much better, so much more modern. I mean, look at that. It looks spectacular. Wow. So not that hard of a job. The wiring was pretty okay, and yeah, turned out great. So guys, that is actually not the end of the video. We have actually been invited. Well, the car's been invited, and so I have to go to a meet, and we've invited to come there and display the car. So we're gonna go to the car meet, and now with the new taillights, and I think it's going to be really fun. So I'll see you guys there. Yo, it is cold, guys. Finally back home. Got the car parked off. Meet was a success. Super nice people there. Met some familiar faces. And yeah, the taillights look awesome. Really give the car a modern vibe, a modern feel. And it is super bright. And yes, at the meet I had a lot of people come up to me and people make remarks that it looks like a Ferrari. And I don't say that in pride or in any type of positive way. If anything, I don't want my car to look like a Ferrari. It's just that I think these taillights look nice, and that is it. Yes, they do resemble the Ferrari 458, 488 line, as I said earlier, but that was not my intention. It's just a coincidence that it looks like that. That the 86 from factory and the Ferrari from factory both come with circular LED taillights. But yeah, at the end of the day, these taillights are awesome. I can't thank GoPlus enough, guys. If you need any headlights, taillights, grills, any supporting mods of sort, you need to go to GoPlus. They are the best suppliers and manufacturers of these products. And I don't know how well you guys can see, but actually has the GoPlus stamp and part number that shows that it was manufactured by GoPlus. So yeah, finally installed GoPlus taillights. We are finally sponsored, and I can't thank you guys enough. You you guys are watching this channel, you guys are following me on Instagram, watching the TikToks, whatever it is, you know, helping out in whichever way you can. And it makes a difference, you know. I mean, look at this, we're Ray sponsored and we're so early in our journey. And to be honest, this journey isn't something that I take super seriously. I don't mean it in a bad way. I just make videos for fun, and I like my car and I like making videos, so why not make videos on my car? At the end of the day, I'm not taking it seriously. I'm not an influencer, I'm not a, you know. That is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and coming along with me on this journey on building my GT86. That's it from me for today, guys. And for the next video, most likely we are going to be doing a big structural upgrade to the car. Structural, and actually maybe even before that you could catch a video on a performance mode. That's all I can say for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I can feel you in my heart.